Welcome to Improve Instantly. In today's video, we're diving into steps to successful organizing. Whether you're looking to streamline your home, office, or daily routine, this video will provide you with the tools and insights you need to succeed. We're here to help you overcome common organizing challenges and achieve your goals with practical, actionable advice. Stay tuned till the end for a quick actionable cheat sheet on steps to successful organizing. Why this topic matters. Understanding steps to successful organizing is crucial for enhancing productivity and reducing stress. Many people struggle with clutter and disorganization, which can lead to inefficiency and frustration. For instance, studies show that a cluttered environment can decrease focus and increase stress levels. By focusing on effective organizing, you can create a more harmonious and efficient space. This section will explore why addressing these issues is essential and how it can lead to significant positive changes in your life. Organizing is not just about tidying up. It's about creating systems that work for you. For example, I once helped a friend organize their home office. Initially, it was a chaotic space where finding anything was a challenge. After implementing some organizing strategies, it became a functional and inspiring workspace. This transformation not only improved their productivity but also their overall well-being. 8 essential tips for successful organizing. Tip 1. Start small and prioritize. This tip helps you avoid feeling overwhelmed by focusing on one area at a time. For example, begin with a single drawer or a small corner of a room. By starting small, you can build momentum and see progress quickly, which motivates you to keep going. Tip 2. Declutter first. Implementing this will create more space and make organizing easier. It's particularly useful for getting rid of items you no longer need or use. For instance, donate clothes you haven't worn in a year or discard expired pantry items. Tip 3. Categorize and label. Here's why this is important for maintaining order. Consider how it can help you quickly find what you need. Use clear labels and categorize items by type or function, such as office supplies, kitchen utensils, or seasonal clothing. Tip 4. Use storage solutions. This approach maximizes your space. By using this strategy, you can keep items neatly contained. Think of bins, baskets, shelves, and drawer dividers that fit your specific needs and space. Tip 5. Create a routine. By applying this, you can maintain organization over time. Think of it as a way to develop habits that keep your space tidy. Set aside time daily or weekly for tidying up, such as a quick evening cleanup or a weekend decluttering session. Tip 6. Keep surfaces clear. This tip will assist you in creating a visually appealing and functional space. An example of this could be keeping kitchen counters or desks free of unnecessary items, which makes them more usable and easier to clean. Tip 7. Digitize documents. It's crucial for reducing paper clutter. This method can help you organize important information and make it easily accessible. Scan important documents and organize them into digital folders with clear labels. Tip 8. Evaluate and adjust regularly. Incorporating this will ensure your organizing systems continue to work for you. This technique is great for adapting to changing needs. Regularly review your organizing methods and make adjustments as necessary to keep everything running smoothly. Section 3. Overcoming common challenges. Even with the best tips, challenges can arise. Common obstacles include procrastination, sentimental attachment to items, and lack of time. For example, procrastination can delay the organizing process and create a larger mess. To tackle these, consider breaking tasks into smaller steps, setting clear goals, and rewarding yourself for progress. Addressing these issues head-on will ensure you make consistent progress and achieve your goals more effectively. Procrastination often occurs due to the daunting nature of organizing tasks. To combat this, set a timer for 15 minutes and focus on one small task. Often, the hardest part is starting, and once you begin, you'll find it easier to continue. Sentimental attachment can also be challenging. Ask yourself if an item truly adds value to your life or if it's just taking up space. Create a memory box for truly special items and be honest with yourself about what you can let go. Quick actionable cheat sheet: steps to successful organizing. Start small and prioritize. Focus on one area at a time to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Declutter first. Remove items you no longer need or use to create more space. Categorize and label. Group similar items together and label them clearly. Use storage solutions. Utilize bins, baskets, shelves, and dividers to keep items contained. Create a routine. Develop habits to maintain organization over time. Keep surfaces clear. Maintain clean and usable spaces by keeping surfaces free of clutter. Digitize documents. Reduce paper clutter by scanning important documents. Evaluate and adjust regularly. Regularly review and adjust your organizing systems as needed. Conclusion. To wrap up, remember that steps to successful organizing is all about creating systems that work for you. Incorporate these tips into your routine to see real improvements in your productivity and well-being. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.